Hey, listen up. I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm going to share some awesome tips on how guys can enhance their appearances. Whether we like it or not, appearance matters a lot and plays a significant role in our success in life. When people meet someone for the first time, they instantly make judgments about whether they want to be around that person or not. Yeah, it might not sound fair, but that's just human nature, so let's do our part to make sure we're putting our best foot forward. One first tip, facial symmetry. If you've noticed that photos taken with the rear camera in the mirror look different, you might have an asymmetrical face. Don't worry, we'll take care of it. 2. Sleep on your back. Most people do the opposite, which can lead to facial asymmetry. Don't be like them. It might be a bit challenging at first, but keep practicing. 3. Chew food with both sides of your mouth. If you only use one side, you'll weaken the other side, and we definitely don't want that. If you want quick results, chew gum with the weaker side of your jaw. It'll do wonders. 4. Hairstyle. If your hair is overly styled to one side, it can make your face look asymmetrical. I recommend a more balanced hairstyle for you. 5. Eyebrow shape. Aim for symmetrical eyebrows. They'll also give your eyes a more symmetric appearance. 6. Body and tongue posture. Having both your back and tongue in proper positions will make your facial features more balanced and attractive. To achieve the correct back posture, work on strengthening your back muscles. For the right tongue posture, try the mewing technique. After implementing these tips, you'll set aside any symmetry issues. Now let's move on to the main topic. 7. Neck muscles. Even though people may not realize its importance yet, the impact of neck muscles on appearance is incredible. 8. Power of sunscreen. If you're directly exposed to sunlight, you'll start to look older than you actually are. I recommend applying sunscreen every day before going outside. Now let's talk about why the person in the photo looks attractive. Or I can tell you, eyebrows. Yes, eyebrows are that important. Just like your hair, you can also groom your eyebrows. I recommend using castor oil and rosemary oil to help grow your eyebrows. 9 carrots. Regular consumption of carrots, which are rich in beta-carotene, will add a natural glow to your skin tone and, of course, contribute to a healthier you. 10 ice. Application. Give your face a few minutes of massage with ice in the morning. This will tighten and rejuvenate your skin, especially around the eye, making you look younger and more refreshed. In short, ice application is a must. 11. Silk pillowcase. Using a silk pillowcase will significantly reduce wrinkles. Exercise is my favorite among these tips because it's not only crucial for physical health, but also for mental well-being. It brings out the best in you, fostering a competitive spirit that challenges you to become your greatest rival. This, in turn, boosts self-confidence, making it one of the most effective methods. Make sure to follow this advice. It's the chef's special recommendation. Stay tuned for a short and concise video on this topic coming soon to the channel. Hydration. Remember to drink water frequently throughout the day. Adequate hydration reduces bloating and enhances facial contours. An easy way to tell if you're drinking enough water is by checking the color of your urine. If it's close to transparent, you're on the right track. Keep an eye out for the upcoming video on these topics on the channel. Good mental health. Good mental health is crucial because if you're not in a good mental state, you won't be able to implement any of the tips mentioned earlier. My name is Chris, and I'm doing research to help you reach your best version. I'll continue to share insights, so feel free to subscribe to stay updated with my videos. May everything in your life be as wonderful as you desire. Goodbye.